Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to share with you how I put together these spooky fireplaces by using this Christmas die and embossing folder set. I've been just going through my stash and just trying to see what I got and getting really creative. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the fun Halloween embellishments that I got coming up. I've already put up a few and I got quite a few more still coming, so stay tuned if you're interested in Halloween embellishments. So I'm just stamping with the stamp set that came with the Fireplace set, and I'm putting it on yellow cardstock so I don't have to do the yellow part when I'm coloring. My coloring isn't that good anyways, but I still love the effect. And I put the logs on like a wood grain type paper to give it some more realistic look. Now the fireplace embellishment I'm doing today, I didn't use the logs, but I'm just showing how I did put together some of the other ones that I did, which I will share with you at the end of this video. So I'm just going ahead and putting a touch of red around the edges and then a little touch of orange where I can still leave a little bit of yellow peeking through. And then you just want to take some fine scissors and cut out these little details. I absolutely love how these turned out. I think they turned out so cute. And with an embossing folder, you can use either side. For this particular one, I turned it upside down so that everything was indented as opposed to being pushed out, if that makes any sense. So I'm just adding some white ink here, and it was something I bought out of the dollar bin at Michael's a long time ago, but it's still working. And I just grabbed some cheesecloth and I'm just cutting off a thin little sliver here so I can drape it around the fireplace. And I'm just pulling out my handy glue here. My glue of choice is always the Beacon 3-in-1. That's the one I mostly go to. And I love that it stays tacky, yet sticks really well. So I'm just going around all the edges so now that I can stretch out my cheesecloth all around. Or you could use spider webs or creepy cloth. I'm just using cheesecloth for these embellishments. And this is a spider web that I had stickled all up. I had used my die and now I'm just putting glue on the back of it. I just have this really runny, strong glue in a needle nose bottle, so I love it for these fine details. And this is an embellishment I had made before, a Halloween banner embellishments. These will all be listed on my playlist below in the description box if you want to check any of these out. And I did use a few embellishments that I had made prior for some of these fireplaces. And this was a cauldron that was gifted to me and it had witch's legs hanging out. I just took off the witch's legs and using it the way it is. And I put in the fire around the fireplace. And this is Dollar Tree moss that I had bought quite a while ago, and they always sell it at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just putting some glue down so I can put this around the fireplace. I think it gives it an awesome creepy look. And it's coming together so awesome. I love these embellishments. And this is just using up an old sticker set that I've had for years. And this is a bone die that I got with a treasure chest die that I bought a while ago. And top it off with that. And voila. And here are all the other ones I made. I used some creepy mirror stickers there where the face changes, pulling out other stickers. That's a book that I had made in a previous video, and a banner I had made with the eek sign. And there's one we just did. And that's just using a cut apart with a creepy cloud that I had done in another video. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.